Hey guys, here's a short tutorial on how I glitter the mini trays, okay? First you want to take your mini tray and you want to make sure that you spray painted it, just the front, whatever color you want it to be, okay? And then I'm going to use the Tinkerbell glitter from Peachy Olive's Glitter. And then I'm going to take a little cup. I'm going to take some Mod Podge. Okay, this is just the kind that I use, and I'm going to take a foam brush, okay, and then some parchment paper, okay. So I'm going to take some of the Mod Podge and I'm going to pour it into my cup, just a good amount so I don't have to go back and refill. Let's take this and move it out the way. Then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to cover the inside of the tray, not around the sides. I don't want to do around the sides, okay? So let's get some of this. Let's put it in there. And let's just brush it in here, okay? So your Mod Podge is gonna dry. You definitely are gonna do 2 coats on it, okay? But you just wanna go up to the side of the tray. You do not wanna go around the sides. The reason why I don't go around the sides is because once you put glitter around these sides and then epoxy, it starts to get really thick after you add all of your glitter and add your 2 coats of epoxy, and then it makes it hard for the magnetic lid to stick onto it. So I just decided to not do it at all. It is spray painted, but I don't put glitter on it. So once you do around the whole inside, just make sure your Mod Podge is pretty even. Let's put that to the side. Take your glitter. And sprinkle it in there. And then all you want to do is tap it to go to all the sides. And it's not going to stick to the outside because you did not put any Mod Podge out there. So make sure your spray paint is fully dried. And then all you do is tap it over. Tap it off. And there you go, a fully glittered tray. I'm gonna let this dry and then I will re-put more Mod Podge on it the same way and glitter it again. And then once I do that, I will go ahead and I will seal it and then I will epoxy it, okay?